our previous episode, we check out all the amazing facilities that Masing has built for M Centura. But here is the question: how do they keep the maintenance fees so low for the residents? This requires labor costs. You see, someone has to be hired to handle all the rubbish collection, transport the rubbish downstairs, and clean the refuse room all the time. But guess what? With this system, fewer cleaners are needed, so residents here don't have to pay extra for maintenance fees. Pretty cool, right? And check out this beautiful walkway and the lobby. These spaces are naturally breezy and comfortable without any air conditioning. What they did was, they incorporate smart architectural techniques like porous walls and fan blocks to promote cross ventilation. Not only does this designs to make the areas look stunning, but most importantly, it saves tons of energy, resulting in lower bills for the residents here. Next, we have the rainwater harvesting system for watering the plants. By capturing rainwater, the building can reduce the reliance of external water sources. This sustainable solution leads to significant cost saving on water bills and, you guessed it, lower maintenance fees. Over time, maintenance costs have a tendency to go up due to factors such as inflation and increasing material prices. That's why it is crucial to make upfront investment in high-quality infrastructure and system to sustain the building in the long run. But here is where it gets even more interesting. Masing has incorporated income-generating features into the building design, such as laundry facilities, EV charging stations, vending machines, and shop rentals. These additional sources of income help offset the expenses of maintaining the building, further lowering the maintenance fees, which is very brilliant. So, what do you think about this innovative strategy? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to share and hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next episode.